Hey everyone, ever wanted your desktop to go from this to this? Clean, super professional, and honestly, really good looking. I'm pretty sure you've seen this penguin before, and you know the story behind it, but if you don't, I'll pin the story in the comments. And if you're into this kind of setup, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the biggest support you can give me. Make sure you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss anything. First, let's hide the desktop icons. Then head over to the Microsoft Store and download Lively Wallpaper. Once it's installed, open it up. And guys, don't forget to extract the file I shared for you on Telegram and Discord. Here we've got a wallpaper we're going to work with. Inside Lively, there's a default wallpaper called Rain. I'll select that first. And yeah, you can already see the really nice rain effect. It actually feels great on the desktop. Now let's customize it. Click on this option and point it to the wallpaper file I shared with you. Looks good. We're gonna make this look even better. So here, I recommend turning blur off. That way the image shows up nice and clear. You've got a few settings here to play with. Intensity makes the raindrops bigger. Speed, brightness, and a couple more options. Here's a small tip. Scroll down and uncheck this option. I personally like it way more like this, so I'm turning it off. I've put all the links you need inside the files as text files so you can grab them easily. First, let's download and install Windhawk. Open the app, go to Explore, and search for Taskbar. This is the one we need, Taskbar Styler. I already have it installed, so you'll see an Install button here instead of Update. After installing it, go to the Themes section and choose Window Glass. Now go back to Explore and search for Start menu. This is the one we want, Start Menu Styler. Install this one too. Then again, head to Themes and select Window Glass. Alright, now open the second link I gave you and download Rainmeter. Copy these two folders and paste them exactly into the path I'm about to show you. Open Rainmeter and let's load the first widget we added. Go into the Agio folder and select Time and Date to get the clock on the screen. Right-click it, open Settings, and tweak the colors a bit. I think this looks pretty good. Now move on to the second folder we added, Montree, and run it. Alright, let's jump into the widgets. I'm adding 3 of them, a calendar, notes, and a music player. Now let's head in here and customize them a bit. I'm turning on blur for this part. And that's it. Our desktop looks insanely clean and on another level now. Make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and tell me what you think. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.